Good morning, students. Student, repeat after me. One notebook,
One notebook,
many notebooks.
many notebooks.
One pen,
One pen,
many pens.
many pens.
One crayon,
One crayon,
many.
crayon.
Good. One crayon,
One crayon,
many crayons.
many crayons.
One stone.
One stone,
Give me the answer.
many stones.
Many
Stones.
stones. Very good, student. Student, today we are going to learn our next lesson from our English grammar book. Lesson number 6. Singular and plural. Okay, in which we have to see when we use, how to use singular and plurals. Okay, now just see here. First of all, we see the definition of singular nouns. Repeat after me. A noun
A noun
that names
that names
only one person,
only one person,
place,
place,
animal
animal,
or thing
or thing
is called
is
a
called
singular noun.
a singular noun.
Okay, when we count only one thing, it's called a singular noun. Okay, some examples are given here. See here, friend,
Friend,
house,
house,
giraffe
giraffe,
and stones.
and stones.
These all comes in singular noun. Okay, these all count in one. One girl is there, friend is there, one house. It concern in the things. Okay, one giraffe, one stone is there. Now see the next definition. A noun
A noun
that names
that names
more than one person,
more than one person,
place,
place,
animal or thing
or thing
is called
is
a
called
plural noun.
a plural noun.
Just see here, first of all we see friend here, only one. Okay, that's why we said here friend. And after that we said here friends. Okay,
Friends.
because they are many. Okay, they are many. More than one. So it's called friends. See here, next one. House,
Houses,
houses. Giraffe,
giraffes,
giraffes. Stone,
stones,
stones. Because all these things, all these animals, all these persons are more than one. That's why we use here S for saying the plural form. Okay, just see the next one. Okay, you can make the plurals of nouns in the following ways. First one, add s to the singular noun. Just see bees, window, windows. We are adding here s for plural form, and first we say b, then we add s and said bees. Okay, repeat after me. Bees.
bees,
Window, windows.
window, windows.
Now just check out the next rule. Add es to singular nouns that end in ss, sh, ch and x. Just see here, fox. Okay, then add ex. Okay, to form these singular noun to transfer it in plural noun. Fox, foxes.
Fox, foxes,
Beach, beaches.
beach, beaches.
Okay, here we add one rule. Add es. Okay, to transfer the singular noun into the plural form. Now next third rules are there. Add es to some singular nouns that end in o. Okay, only add es when the singular nouns is end in o. Just see here examples. Tomato,
Tomatoes,
tomatoes, right. Potato,
potatoes,
potatoes. We have to add here es. Okay, so it's come properly in a plural form. Now just see exercise number A. Add s or es to these nouns to make them plural form. Okay, just see here. I have already give you the answers of 6 examples. Now the remaining examples you have to solve by yourself afterward. This is your homework. But first of all, see here. Plate, plates. Repeat after me.
Plate, plates.
Buffalo, buffaloes.
Buffalo, buffaloes.
Glass, glasses.
Glass, glasses.
Spider, spiders.
Spiders, spiders.
Spider, spiders.
Spiders.
Rose, roses.
Roses.
Box, boxes.
Boxes.
Now give me the answer. Bush, bushes.
Bushes.
Peach, peaches.
Peaches.
Brush, brushes.
Brushes.
Mango, mangoes.
Mangoes.
Latch, latches.
Latches.
Street, streets.
Streets.
Okay, student. This is your homework. You have to complete these exercise number A. Now we see the next one. Just read after me all these rules. Okay. Here are some many ways to making the plural of nouns. For example, leaf, leaves.
Leaves.
Okay, when the singular nouns that end in F and or FE, okay, at that time change the F or FE to VES. This is the another rule how to transfer singular to plural form. Just repeat after me. You have to take practice again and again, then it will be easy to you how to write down plural form for singular nouns. Okay, student. Now again, leaf, leaves.
Leaves.
Here we cut the F and we add VES here. So it pronounced like this, leaf, leaves. Next one, wife, wives.
Wives.
Okay, here again we cut here the E. Instead of F, we add here VES. Okay, student. Now second point, for some singular nouns that end in Y, change the Y to IES. When Y comes in the end of any word, then instead of Y, we have to use IES. This is these are the rules. Okay. Baby, babies.
Babies.
Here we change the Y to IES. Okay. Now third one. Some nouns form the plural with a change in the vowels or vowels within the word. Just see here. Okay. Man, man.
Man.
Here we have to change the singular noun into the plural form, but we have to make some changes here. Man, man. Woman, woman. Foot, feet. Instead of FOOT, foot, instead of double O, we have to use here feet. Okay. Tooth, teeth. Goose, geese. Mouse, mice. Okay. Now you have to take practice again and again and remember all these singular to plural forms. Fourth one. Some nouns have the same singular and plural forms. There have no changes in the singular and plural form. They both are the same. See here the example. Sheep, sheep. No changes overall here. Deer, deer. Okay, same. Singular noun also same and plural form also same. Now just see exercise number B. Write the plural form of these nouns. Okay, student, you have to remember all the above rules and you take practice first of all these rules, and with the practice you have to solve these exercise. Some I will give you the answers and the remaining ones you have to solve by yourself. Come on, read after me. Lorry, lorries.
Lorries.
Shelf, shelves.
Shelf, shelves.
Knife, knives.
Knife, knives.
Man, man.
Man, men.
Goose, geese.
Goose, geese.
Sheep.
Ship,
Tell me the answer.
ship.
Sheep only. Yes, because before we learn it. Sheep, sheep. Singular noun also same and plural form also same. City, cities. Loaf, loaves.
Loaf.
Pony, ponies. Here we again see the rules. When the y comes in the end, then we transfer y into is. Okay. So instead of y, we use here is and make the plural form of pony. Family, families. Okay, next one. Story, stories. Life,
Live.
lives. Thief,
Thief.
thieves. Mango,
Mango.
mangoes. Here O comes in the end. See the our rules is given here. When the, see here, I think so, in the first page it is given here. See here, fourth one. Add es to some singular nouns that end in o, and we see here mango, o is comes in the end, so we use here mangoes, es. Okay. Mouse, mice.
Mice.
Mouse,
Mice.
mice. Afterwards deer,
Deer.
deer. Same. See here these rules. Okay. Singular also same and plural form also same. Pronunciation and spelling also same. Elf,
Elves.
elves. Tooth,
Teeth.
teeth. Wolf,
Wolves.
wolves. Calf,
Calf.
calves. Okay, student. First of all, you have to learn, you have to see these rules, and afterwards it's very easy to solve out this exercise. And remember it, more than one things we use plural forms. Okay. One is we are saying here singular and many is plural form. Just say again. Give me
Book.
answer.
Book. Books.
Very good.
Pen. Pens.
Very good.
Crayon. Crayons.
Okay.
Stone. Stones.
Very good, student. Student, just like this, you have to take practice and solve this exercise. Thank you.